Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to identify specific numbers, text or date by using conditional format. In this example I have subtotal product list and I want to specify the product sales in specific months, or I want to specify the product sales with specific category, and I want to specify the product sales which greater than or equal a specific amount. Okay, let me show you how to do this. The first thing, I am going to specify the product sales in a specific month. Okay, let me show you how to do this. The first step, I highlight the data like this and click Home tab and Conditional Format, then select New Rule. Under select a rule type, select use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, now I am going to use month function which return the month number in a specific date. Okay, so I type equal, then month, opening parentheses, and type the cell reference in your range. In this case, the cell reference is A2. Then closing parentheses, and I want to check if the month number is equal to the value in G2. So I select G2. Okay. Then I specify the format, so I click Format button and specify the fill color. I select this one. Okay. Then I select the font color. I want it to be bold and white. And select OK. OK. Now, if I change the month, okay, automatically the conditional format will be updated. Okay, then I want to identify the product sales with a specific category. So the first step, I highlight the data like this, then select Home, Conditional Format. From Highlight Sales Rule, there is a rule called text that contains. But in this case, I select More Rules. From the drop-down list, there is option called Specific Text. I select this one because by this way, there is multiple options. Okay, so I select Containing and specify H2, which contains the different categories. Okay, then I specify the format, so I click Format and specify the font color. I want it to be bold and white, and specify the fill color. I select this one and press OK. OK. Now, if I change the category from the drop-down list, automatically the conditional format will be updated like this. Okay, then I want to highlight the sales products, the product sales which is greater than or equal a specific amount. So I highlight the data like this and select Home tab, Conditional Format, New Rule. Under select a role type, select format only cells that contain, and from the drop down list there is multiple option. I select cell value and this is the default choice. From the next drop down list there is multiple option. In this case I select greater than or equal to and specify J2 which contains the sales amount. Then I specify the format, so I click format button. Okay, and from the fill color I select the background color, and from font I select bold and white and press OK. Okay. Now if I change the sales amount, automatically the conditional format will be updated like this. If you want to know how to create drop-down list, there is a link in the description. You can watch the video. Okay, that's it. If you like the content, please like the video and support the channel and subscribe to it. There is always new videos from the real life. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.